Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck and today I'm going to show you how I make my fat-free tater tots using my air fryer. Oh yeah. And I know a lot of you guys have had questions about the air fryer. All I gotta say is I love mine and I use it a lot. So hopefully this will give you an idea. We're going to start off with this bag of simply potatoes. They are just plain potatoes. You can grate your own potatoes. I would recommend russets, 3 or 4 medium-sized russets. You want to grate them, put them in a towel and squeeze as much water out as you can so that you end up with just plain dry potatoes like what you see in the bowl. We're going to sprinkle on some cornstarch, mix that all up, put them on a tray, put some parchment paper down. Now we're going to bake these to get more moisture out in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. We want these as dry as we can get them. When they come out of the oven, they're still sticky. They're not cooked all the way through. There's some little brown bits there. It's fine. This is what we want. So now we're going to put some seasoning on, garlic salt, garlic powder. I like to have a little fresh chives. Came out of my garden. Mix that all up really good. Now the air fryer. That's mine. It's a New Wave. I got it set for 20 minutes. 350 degrees. This is so easy if you have one of these. They're not that expensive. So now there's a little melon baller. And we're going to scoop up some potatoes. Shove them in there real tight. And when you pop them over and push that little... Look at that. It's perfect. Perfect little tater tot. No oil. Nothing nasty. Just potatoes and some spices. So... that's a 3-quart New Wave air fryer. It'll hold about 9 tater tots comfortably. You could probably get 12 in there. I don't want to double stack them so they're sitting on top of each other because they are going to stick a little bit. And I'll show you that in just a second. So I have a baking tray over there for the others. And that whole bag, which is a little over a pound of shredded potatoes. You can find those, by the way, in your grocery store. They're in the refrigerated section. They're not going to be frozen. You can probably use frozen if you want. Thaw them first, but usually frozen has oil and all kinds of other stuff in it. So here they are after just 5 minutes in the air fryer. See, they're sticking a little bit. Ow, kind of hot, kind of hot. Hurry, hurry, hurry. But you just want to loosen them up just a little bit. And that's all you're going to have to do. From this point on, no more sticking. I mean, look at that. Just kind of poke them around every few minutes. Will it take the entire 20 minutes? Probably not. 15 minutes can be good. Cook them until they're the way you like them. Nice and crispy, crunchy, creamy on the inside. So good. And there you go. Tater tots. No oil. Fat-free tater tots. Love them. Grab that ketchup, grab your ranch, whatever you like, and go to town. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. And this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. We'll see you next week.